This is gonna go to the green flag. Comes from 1 or 2 for the first time. And then as you see that come through, gonna go on the back. Right, as he goes 3 or 4 for the first time, he slams the wall. Oh my god! 720. He does the longest spin in all of history for this series. Oh, he comes to his line. It's never gonna be the same again for him after that wreck. We're gonna get turns 3 and 4 for a final time. It's all again. How's it gonna come? Take his second. Here's a replay. Yeah, so as you see, it comes to 1 and 2. He's already having submissions with the cars on the radio. That his car's on handling well, then Jack just slams the wall. Very hard. And spinning that does it about 800 degrees times. Bye.